Briarcliff, a tree-rich corner of Kansas City.
Hi, I'm Brian.
Hi, and I'm Steve. Welcome to Briarcliff, a wonderfully wooded area.
I've already told them about the trees.
Oh, did you tell them about the woodpeckers?
In our 7 years here, our home siding took a beating from the elements, and yes, the wildlife.
We needed new siding, and had found about 6 options, including the option of doing nothing.
Which was becoming costlier every day.
We found StateLine Exteriors on the James Hardie website.
We wanted a contractor with a proven record of expertise and experience. StateLine Exteriors' status as a James Hardie Elite Preferred Contractor was all the proof we needed.
That made narrowing our options much easier. The real trick to choosing the right provider for your siding needs, and here's my advice, so listen up. Get all the proposals together, including nothing as a proposed solution, and lay them out, and really read what you're getting.
When we did that, it was clear StateLine Exteriors had put expertise and experience into their proposed solution. We could read in writing exactly how StateLine Exteriors would improve our house while also replacing our siding.
And StateLine Exteriors proposed an internal inspection.
A couple others were willing to do the inspection, but only after we asked.
A brief tour of the house and a few valuables on exterior walls were safely moved. It makes a big impression to have your interior valuables considered by people doing work on the outside of your home. That's the level of customer care and quality our house deserves.
And that quality was there throughout the installation. Casey, the owner, stopped by to check in on us and the house and its progress. We really appreciated that he and his team had regularly scheduled meetings with us. He was always just a call away.
Casey made sure that we understood what the team had done and was going to be doing. He was always focused on making sure we were getting what we wanted.
Everyone at StateLine Exteriors are professional, respectful, timely, and skilled experts. If you need siding expertise, Brian
And Steve.
recommend trusting your home to StateLine Exteriors.